Hi, my name is DaveQ, and today I'm troubleshooting several outlets that did not have power in a dining room area. This device needs the power as well as a ground or neutral to be functioning properly in order for the device to show lights on it. I noticed that this outlet was a little bit loose as I was wiggling it, so I plugged in the tester and it showed the lights going on and off. I then plugged it in the one next to it that did not have power and wiggled it, and the lights went on and off. I then disconnected the outlet from the wall, removing the cover plate and 2 screws holding it in. After that, I used a voltage tester to confirm that I had power in the box, which I had. I then turned the power off before further inspecting the outlet. The first thing I noticed was that the screws were loose by almost a full rotation. The second thing I noticed was that the screw terminal was on top of the wire insulation, which kept it from having a solid contact. The solution to this is disconnecting the wire from the terminal, restripping it, and then reconnecting it. I start by straightening the wire with my needle nose pliers. After straightening the wire, I use my strippers to strip the wire, which I'm doing one-handed here while holding the camera. After that, I use a special spot on the pliers to bend the wire so that I can set it around the screw and then tighten it on the terminal. I use a flathead screwdriver to tighten it properly. I also found the same issue on the other side of the outlet, and so I fixed that side as well. I turned the power back onto the breaker and checked the outlets that were not working. Everything was working, so thanks for watching the video.